How do you get the sound effect like this into Flipaclip? Use this website. It's called Typedummer. Type whatever letter and you create this sound. You can switch the sound. How did I manage to get this sound in Flipaclip? I simply use this app. Why is this app useful even though this app is not good quality? Well, it can record sound. Even though it wasn't as great quality as it is, it can record sound, which making it useful. Click the app and you get this. Go to this website. You can click right there and click at the top to record. You can stop record. Make sure to cover the speaker, or else it will sound like this. Like it will sound like me in 2020 playing games like this. Kinda like that. If you don't cover the speaker, it will sound like this. Anyways, click on this. Make sure it have this name. And this, you can scroll down to find the sound that you need. And voila, you get this sound.